Next week you find me back at Wigan Wallgate, and let's look at the other branch line from here to Headbolt Lane. Our route today formed part of the Liverpool and Bury Railway, opened in 1848. This was one of the most northerly routes between Liverpool and Manchester via Bolton. In 1977, with the start of mersyrail electric services, the line was physically split at Kirby. In 2023, Headbolt Lane opened, which became the new terminus for northern services from Wigan. Our journey begins here at Wigan Wallgate, one of the 2 stations in Wigan. Originally opened in 1848, rebuilt over the years, it took the Wigan Wallgate name in 1924. Pemberton opened with the line on the 20th of November 1848. Is Hall, which serves a small area of Wigan, opened with the line in 1848. The Kirby branch line sees the daily Knowsley to Wilton bin train. It's seen here passing Hall. Up Holland opened with the line as Pimbo Road, changing to Up Holland in 1900. Rainford Junction opened in 1858, replacing the original Liverpool and Bury station. It opened at Rainford Junction, serving this line and a line to Skelmersdale. Here trains depart towards Headbolt Lane, collect a token from the signal box for the single line section. And so we come to Headbolt Lane, opened in 2023 as a new terminus for both the mersyrail Kirby line and the Northern train service to Manchester. I did a video on this in October 2023, so take a look at that. We end with a northern departure back to Blackburn. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again for another video. Why not subscribe if you liked and hit that notification bell.